Hi, my name is Michelle Brock, and I am a spiritual life coach who specializes in past life regression. And I am super excited to be teaching a workshop at Esalen from May 26th to 30th called Who Do You Think You Are? An Interactive Journey Through Your Past Lives and Into Your Best Future. So we will be meeting as a group and we will be exploring our past lives in the setting of a group past life regression. But when we work in a setting like that with a group, it always amplifies the energy and people end up having experiences that connect to each other. So I'm really excited to see during the workshop how people are able to explore different connections, why everybody who signed up for the workshop decided to come and join, and being a part of that group can be a really powerful thing. One of the things that we're going to be doing during the week is we're going to be doing a fire ritual, which will allow us to get rid of our past, the things that we're carrying, not just from this life, but from our past lives as well, so that we can actually free ourselves to create an entirely new future where we're not being defined by our past, we're not being held back by our past in any way. I'm really, really excited about that particular aspect, the fire ritual, because we will literally be allowing our past to burn away to create and clear a path for a totally new future. Why I'm so excited to do this workshop specifically at Esalen is because I believe that nature allows us to tap into our own intuition on a more deep level. When we live in our daily lives and our daily routine, we kind of end up in this hypnosis of what we're constantly doing. And I also believe that because we are a part of nature, we notice cycles in nature that constantly turn: life, death, rebirth. And so we start to notice those cycles within us as well. And so being at a retreat setting like Esalen will allow you to feel more connected to nature, which will allow you to tap into your own inner nature and the way that we are all connected over many, many lifetimes here on planet Earth.